ما أريد من هذا الشعب إلا أن يزيد في الحمد والشكر إلى الله عز وجل، ويزيد من محبة الوطن، ويزيد من العمل ومضاعفة العمل لما يسعى فيه من خير له وللدولة والأهل. هذا اللي أنا أدوره من الشعب، وربنا إن شاء الله يوفقنا جميعا على ما يحب ويرضى.
Engineering excellence built in the UAE. Today we meet the exceptional mind behind the Valve Metals Middle East, Mr. Yusuf Mohammad, the founders and the CEO. He shares his inspiring journey of overcoming challenges and leading VME to new heights in the industrial valve industry. Stay tuned.
Firstly, I would like to thank all the Highness and the leadership in UAE to provide us an opportunity to invest in UAE in this country, and it is our second home now. We are very strongly committed to support the vision of UAE of Make It in Emirates.
احنا شعوب لها نفدى ثراها، نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب.
Welcome to Palace of Union, our dear audience, the program which shed light success wherever it shines, and the favorite platform for all the professional talent who make the difference and shape the future of the United Arab Emirates. Today it's our honor to host Mr. Yusuf Mohammad, the founder and the CEO of VME Valves. How are you, Mr. Yusuf?
I'm very good, Ms. Suraya.
In the beginning, I would like to thank you for accepting our invitations and allowed our team to come today and have this unique interview with you.
You're most welcome, and thank you very much for the opportunity to be in front of Align TV to discuss about my company VME Valves, as well as yes, we can say that success story of VME Valves, and to detail what exactly we are doing and the journey of VME Valves since 2019.
So in the beginning, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself to our audience and give them a quick brief about your knowledge as well as your experience.
I'm Yusuf Mohammad. I'm the founder and the CEO of VME Valves, and with an experience of almost 30 years in the industry, I decided to spin out this factory. And I have been working with various multinationals on the management roles and the senior positions, and started my career as a foundry man and making the castings in one of the very professional Indian foundry. And I started my career from there, and then I reached here. And at various levels, I started, making myself experienced and learning, starting from foundry, and then design, then application, then into business and sales and operations. And today I'm here since 2019, trying to carve and develop this factory to serve the industry here, not only in UAE, but also we are exporting to various countries. Yeah.
So as you know, any successful journey, it's have a lot of challenges. So what was the major challenge you faced and how you converted to an opportunity of success?
To be precise, when we started in 2019, immediately we were hit by COVID. And the whole industrial market went into a suffering mode. And so we did. We were into a big challenge, how to run the company, meeting the expenses because we are new. And, everything stopped in 2020. Okay, then we try to explain everybody that how this local manufacturing can support their projects and their urgent needs. So we converted a problematic situation into an opportunity, and we started serving all the priority projects, and we started manufacturing the products as per their requirements and as per the project requirements. And the first project in this journey, the biggest project was one of the partial project for Expo 2020 in Dubai for one district cooling plant working with Emicol. And from there we started our journey in 2020. And then to be very honest, we are supplying one of the biggest valve in Mecca region, that is 100-inch valve for Saudi Arabia for their Mogabas project. And yeah, there are a lot of challenges when we talk about manufacturing, this high-end, technically high-end products. And every day we fight with it, and we fight with all dedication, determination.
So as we was discussing about the most difficult time in your journey, we would like to know who was the biggest supporter to you and how you completed your journey with them support.
First of all, the support Ministry of Economics. They trusted us. Yes. And all the authorities here. Like when we talk about authorities, TACA, ADNOC, yes, DIVA, FIVA, SIVA, all these authorities, where they use our products in their projects. They are the biggest supporters. And especially DED, Department of Economic Development. They holded our hand actually, and supported us, to talk to all these end users and get us pre-qualified. And then, you can see the success story today.
So, Mr. Yusuf, so if I will ask you to get back to the foundations times to know how were the foundations of VME Valves and how was the great visions behind these establishments?
See, the major foundation of VME is the capability of the team, the technical capability of the team, to produce all these products within UAE. And you are talking about the challenges, the raw material, getting the raw material was also a challenge for us. And we got a biggest support from the local foundries to meet all our requirements to produce this raw material like castings and forgings and all the stuff. And again, I would like to say that there was a good support from the local industry as well. And that's again, all the raw support what I got from the local, ancillaries or you can say that local industries who supported us for the raw material and all. And that was the biggest support as well. And that was a foundation. We tried to build the foundation from there, procuring the raw material locally and making the product locally. So that was a big milestone we covered, and that was the biggest achievement. And again say that is what is our foundation, and with which we could develop the in-country value. And today, by the way, we live with 46% of ICV. Okay, so by that you can understand how much we are doing all these operations locally within UAE. Setting up this industry was not a small task, not only technically as well as financially. Okay, so my friend Nasser, who is an investor and a partner in my company, he came front and said that Yusuf, you start, I'm with you. And that was the biggest, again, a support which I got from Nasser. And I would like to say a big thank you to Nasser as well.
Could you please make for us an overview about the service and the solutions and also the products you give it to this market and how it's quite apart than the other company in these regions?
In VME valves, we manufacture industrial valves for water, wastewater and water treatment on one hand. On other hand, for energy and process industry, basically for oil and gas, power, desalination, and this is what we call it as a power. And the product range is huge. We not only manufacture ductile iron, but also, in terms of metallurgy, we also manufacture very exotic metallurgy like duplex, super duplex, and this kind of materials for the industry which we are talking about.
So, Mr. Yusuf, so we would like also to know the achievements that you are gaining among the journey, and also not only in the markets of the UAE, as you say, you already involved in another markets.
Basically, when we talk about achievements, it comes with the reputation and the credibility of the product as well as the organization. And in initial 2-3 years, we could able to develop that reputation in terms of quality, in terms of deliverables, in terms of the product reliability and all, and that was a base of our success. And when UAE gave us an opportunity to supply our products in various projects, and where we supplied and delivered in time as well as with a good quality, and that gave a reputation and credibility in export market basically. Today we export 70% of our product. This year, we are exporting 70% of our production, to various other countries, like mainly to Saudi Arabia. With quality and deliverables, your fast deliveries. You see, most of the projects are on fast track, and we are aligned to meet their delivery requirements. Today, we talk about our deliveries are 10 to 12 weeks, which is very healthy to meet, the customer requirements. That is one of the biggest selling point of VME valves today.
Right now, we would like to speak a little bit about technology. As you know, technology, it's been wrapped too much fast. So how have you been adapting to the new technology here in VME valves?
See, the whole facility is state of art, which we have here, and all the machines and the equipments which we are talking about are digitally operated, and that gives the highest level of quality, that produce the highest level of quality of the products, as well as in future we are having a very aggressive plan to go for industry 4.0, meeting that requirement basically. So that we are spinning out that particular activity now.
As much importance as technology, there is also sustainability. So we would like to know what are the messages you are doing here in VME valves to impact our environments.
Our commitment to sustainability, to produce a product which sustain with a longer life, and when we talk about sustainability, the product should be in the system for a long time. And as an engineer, I can say that steel never dies, and we produce all our products with steel, and with a minimum cost or a minor cost, we make sure that our products are recycled and reusable with a small maintenance, and live for longer life cycle in the industry.
So we would like also to know what is the next goals, the future inspiration, so you can say from now to 5 years as you are the founders of the company.
Vision of the VME valves to become one of the leading manufacturer and the supplier for industrial valves, not only in the region, and export to various countries in the region. And to make sure that we meet, the requirement of Saudi Arabia as one of our major client, we are setting up a manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia, Al Khobar, and we are looking for inaugurating this facility most probably in February 2026.
So last but never been least, we would like to ask you to deliver an advice for the new generation who are freshly graduated and are interested in the same field. So please, from your experience, lead them to the right way.
My advice to the young generation as well as young entrepreneur, there is no substitute for hard work. When hard work comes with dedication and determination, success is yours.
So we concluded our episode for today by a word from heart to all the highness here in the UAE to thank them for their efforts to make our life success and much better. So what would you like to tell them?
Firstly, I would like to thank all the highness and the leadership in UAE to provide us an opportunity to invest in UAE, in this country. And it is our second home now. We are very strongly committed to support the vision of UAE of Make It in Emirates.
Thank you too much, Engineering Yusuf Mohammad, the founder and the CEO for VME Valves, to participate with us your successful journey in Palace of Union. It was a pleasure to meet you, sir.
Thank you very much, Hooray, for this opportunity, and it's highly appreciated.
Thank you. Thank you, our dear audience, for keep watching. Please wait for us in the next episode by next week. From Palace of Union, this is Hooray El Gindi. Goodbye.